Hello everybody, today what we're going to be looking at is solving simple trigonometric equations which involve some kind of rearranging. Step 1 is to rearrange the equation. Step 2 is to use your calculator to find a solution. Step 3 is to use symmetry of trig graphs or cast diagram to find the other solutions. Finally, step number 4 is to put everything together for a full answer. Example 1. Can we solve 2 sin x minus 1 equals 0 for the range 0 to 360? First step, rearrange. Second step, use your calculator to find one of the solutions. Step 3, use a trig graph or a cast diagram to find the other answers. Let's take a look using a trig graph. We can use the sine graph to identify the point of symmetry to read off the other answer. Here, it looks like the other answer is 150, which it is. Finally, write down your full solution. Example 2. Solve 5 cos x plus 2 equals 0 for the range 0 to 360. First step is to rearrange. The second step is to use your calculator to find one of the solutions. Step 3 is to use a trig graph or a cast diagram. This time, let's use the cast diagram to help find the other answer. As cos x was minus 0.4, a negative, the only place where that is allowed will be in the sine quadrant and the tan quadrant. The answer can't be in the other 2 quadrants. So, we know that x equals 113.6 degrees, and that places it in the sine quadrant. So the other answer must be in the tan quadrant. There are only 2 reasonable things to do here. Either add 180 to our first answer, or subtract our first answer from 360 degrees. Well, if we add 180 degrees, that gives us 293.6. That pushes our angle into the cos quadrant, so this cannot be the answer. This leaves us with 360 minus the 113.6, which gives us 246.4 degrees, which puts us in the tan quadrant, which is where we want to be. Finally, write down the full solution. Take a look at the following questions. All these questions are on Google Classroom. Please complete these by Friday the 27th. Thanks for watching, and remember that all the practice materials, including the class quizzes, are on Google Classroom. See you next time.